Ready to unlock the power of Google Drive and conquer your digital clutter. First, open your web browser and head to drive@google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If not, sign in now to access your files. Let's create a new folder to organize your files. Click the New button. It's usually in the top left. This will open a menu where you can choose folder. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name your folder. Choose a descriptive name, for example, project files or family photos. Type your name and then click create. Excellent! You've just created a new folder located within your Drive. Now, let's add files to it. Click New again and select either File Upload or Folder Upload. File Upload for individual files and Folder Upload for entire folders. Pick your method. A file explorer will appear. Browse your computer and select the files you want to upload. You can select individual files or hold Terminal Windows or Command Mac and click to choose multiple files at once. Click Open or Upload. You'll see a progress bar in the bottom right, indicating the upload. Once it reaches 100%, your files are successfully uploaded. Congratulations! You've created a folder and uploaded files. Open your folder to view the uploaded content. Organize all of your files easily by repeating this organization process. Like, subscribe, and share your Google Drive tricks in the comments.